How to log into Costco Citi Card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Costco Citi Card login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.citi.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of Citi. Now at the top right, you will see the option of Sign On. Click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Citi account. So go ahead and fill this. Firstly type in the user ID. Then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember user ID. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options and recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign On, and just for that you will be logged into your account and you will get access to your card. Well, this way you can easily log into Costco Citi Card account online. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option and create your account. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.